Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, we're going straight into your channel song. We had a technical difficulty right there, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about by now. Joe Cracker, baby. You've got it. What's love? What's love? Should it be about us? Be about trust? What's love? Got to do with it. What's love? It's about us, it's about trust, babe. What's love? Got to do with it. What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trust. Hey, slow down, baby. Let me tell you from the jump, I don't go down, baby. I want a thick with thick hips that licks her lips. She could be the office type or like to strip. Girl, you getting me around, how you look in my eye, how you talk to me, but oh, you're ruining my hand. Don't wanna lose the feeling cause the roof is chilling on fire. Looking good in again. I'm a rider, all the hoodie, not a provider. Should've seen the jewelry up. You say you got a man if you're in love, but what's love got to do with a little bit of our thing? After the party is me and you, and just silent come through, and he can come too. What's love got to do? What's love? It's about us, it's about trust, babe. What's love? And what's love? It should be about us, it should be about us. And then my look in your eyes is gonna stop in me. And you can't painting onto me. And it come and lim and it come back. And it has come on and put it on me. I'ma put you on you, girl. What's love? What is love? And what is love without a cololingus? Let me tell you from the jump, I don't go down, baby. At least Fat Joe made us know he did not go down. Would that be a deal breaker for you if he did not go down? Maybe it wouldn't. Nevertheless, Libra, let's go into your messages. But I'm getting, what's love? Or I'm getting, Libra, you're a cheater. You think having all these bitches is cool? Okay, I'm gonna see how cool it is, how cool the head of it is when you get all these STDs too. What's love? Without STDs. Okay, so your overall message, Libra, is a Tower card, exactement. So is it a Libra you were caught going down? I don't know if you live in Jamaica, probably that's why you are having such a hard time. Even though the first guy who went down on me was a Jamaican guy. So all of these Jamaican men saying them doing the oral sex, okay. Alright, well, who are the girls who are getting it? Because I did not sing that song for accident. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Deal with me like a bottle of Pepsi. Right? Okay, so the Tower card is your overall message. So I'm getting a dealing with a Scorpio, or I'm getting, yo, shit's getting up right now, okay? Or something about a going down, going up argument, okay? So that's your main card, the Tower. What's your love? Your love is a Four of Swords. I'm getting you taking a break from love. Maybe because of the Tower. So you found out something about your last relationship. I don't know where you still go around. Maybe somebody cheated on you. But I'm getting, maybe you found a lot of pictures. You see pictures of this girl and this guy and this girl, and you're like, fuck this. So I'm getting, you're taking a break from love. You're not talking to anybody and you're not meeting any new potentials right now. Your love and your money is the Ace of Swords. It's the Ace of Wands. So I'm getting, you're very horny, you want to have sex, but you're channeling your energy into work. But I'm getting, you're watching porn at work or you're horny at work. I'm getting, you're not actively looking for love. You're not on any dating sites. And if you are on dating sites, it's not working for you. So you bury your head in career and money. But you're probably thinking about spending the money on getting a dick. ride, or me getting your career, me getting you just thinking about sex, a lot of sex, a lot of sex. Are you thinking about the fact that someone cheated on you? Me getting you're a guy, or yeah, the penis is here, the ASA ones. You're a guy, you don't have sex, you don't even like to be intimate with girl unless you know them. Me getting somebody cheat on you. And you found pictures. What's your health? Your health is a page of swords. I'm getting right now, you're stalking them online. Yeah, look for any sign. Let me see if they're talking to anybody else. Who are they talking to now? Are they going to go out soon? Me getting all you, I mean, you're thinking with your penis, but me getting your penis is being aroused to only one person. And I'm getting, unless you trust the person, me getting you don't even trust this person, but you still want to sleep with them. So I'm getting you're trying to find a way of stuff. You're trying to force a way to make this person monogamous to you. Because maybe you're saying that everybody who deal with this person is the same problem them go through. I'm getting you have a different approach. Maybe your approach is to not have sex right away. You're going to wait, you're going to hold out for sex. Maybe you're just going to study them first, watch them, get a feel of them, talk to them, have a conversation with them. But me getting nothing sexual. That is that's your formula. What's your home life? Your home life is the angel. Yeah, that's your formula. That's what you think so unless you think someone's a cheater, then I'm getting you're not a cheater. Libra, you're a cheater, Libra. Yes, you're a cheater, you rule. Yeah, and Venus rule. Taurus is the monogamous one. You are the one who will fuck everything. Okay, Libra? No offense, okay? But me see something happen to you, then you go to sleep, and then you wake up with a boner. Like some shit just happened to you, and you decide to take a nap. Or you're getting horny in places you're not supposed to be horny in. Like you get horny at church. You get horny at work. Me getting you watching somebody. You're not watching porn. You watch somebody and you get horny. I'm getting someone's fully clothed, so you might even just watching somebody work. Me getting you get horny. So I don't know. I feel like you're a guy. You don't have sex often. Maybe you never had sex before. Me getting you see this girl, you like this girl, but you don't know if the girl gonna cheat on you because you're the type of man who once you have sex with one girl, you don't want to have sex with nobody else. Me getting you once you have sex, you imprint, and you don't leave. Me getting that seat for you. I'm getting a very, 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 very clingy guy. Me getting you're not emotional, but you're very clingy. Once you have sex with somebody, that is it. Me getting that is a struggle's marriage to you, basically. Them man, they were like, let's just get some of these cards and I'll leave it here. Them man me like. Is this enemy or is this cheating? No. Yeah, it's cheating. See, cheating. Yeah, you feel like somebody will cheat on you. I don't know if you're a cheater. I don't think you're a cheater. We have no phones allowed. We have Taurus. Is Taurus a cheater? I don't know who it is to take up the money and buy. Taurus is not usually a cheater. Libra is. Taurus came before Libra, and Taurus is earth. Taurus is not air. So I'm getting Taurus. I don't know who cheated. Somebody said the Taurus cheated. I don't think the Taurus cheated. I was innocent. I think the Libra cheated. Unsolved mysteries and FBI. Yeah, I don't think the Taurus cheated. And I cannot cheat. I live my life as if I am already where I want to be. Thus, I live my life when I walk on the street. I pretend that there's paparazzis everywhere taking pictures of me and the guy I'm out with. Therefore, I couldn't be a cheater. My name is going to be in the blogs. I have to act accordingly. You don't understand that? Here are you thinking that I am just doing this right now. Have you forgotten what I plan to be in the future, Prosh? Exactamo. So I have to act accordingly. I can't be cheating in these streets. No, when I'm up for my Grammy, you're going to hear someone cheat for my Grammy. Actually, I'm not going to be up for a Grammy. No, when I'm up for my YouTube plaque, you're going to hear someone, God, the cheater got the YouTube plaque. I didn't cheat. He got cheated on. It's fucking different, okay? They ask you if you're fine and you're not fine. How can you be fine? They cheated on you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.